Welcome to English Practice Every Day. This visual English practice video is for beginner level learners. In this video, we will describe an image in very simple English with short, clear, and easy to understand sentences. Throughout our practice, I will highlight important words, phrases, and phrasal verbs. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. At first glance, I see a lively scene outside an old building. The building has a rustic look. Its walls are made of grey stone and red bricks. There is a small window with a wooden frame. The window has many small panes of glass. A tiny green plant sits on the windowsill. Next to the window, there is an open doorway. The door is dark brown and looks worn out. Between the window and the door, there is a small basket hanging on the wall. In front of the building, the ground is covered with grey paving stones. The stones are laid out in a neat pattern. This makes the area look clean and tidy. A big wicker basket sits in the middle of the scene. The basket is full of colorful flowers. There are yellow, red, pink, and white blooms. The flowers look bright and cheerful. They add a pop of color to the gray ground. A man is kneeling next to the basket. He wears a light brown hat and a beige shirt. His jeans are blue and a bit faded. He is picking up some flowers from the basket. He looks focused on his task. His body leans forward a little. A woman sits on a wooden chair in front of the basket. She is in the center of the picture. Her skirt is dark with colorful patterns. She has a scarf with floral pattern and red fringes around her neck. She holds a bunch of flowers in her left hand. Her face looks happy. She smiles as she looks at the flowers. Behind her, two other women stand close together. The woman on the left has brown hair. She wears a pink top and a green skirt. Her right hand rests on her hip. She looks curious and leans a bit forward. The woman next to her has dark hair tied up. She wears a white dress with a yellow skirt over it. She holds a small bunch of flowers. Her face shows a gentle smile. Both women stand tall and look friendly. To the right, two more women sit on a long bench. The bench is made of wood and looks simple. The woman on the left has curly brown hair. She wears a brown dress with a white apron. Her hands rest on her lap. She sits straight and looks calm. The woman on the right has curly hair too. Her dress is dark green and brown. She looks peaceful and sits quietly. In front of the flower basket, a small child stands. The child is a little girl. She wears a light blue dress with a floral pattern. Her dress has short sleeves. She has red boots on her feet. The boots are bright and stand out. Her hair is light brown and tied up. She stands with her back to the viewer. Her head turns a little to the side. She seems curious about the flowers. Her small body looks steady on the ground. The colors in the image are warm and soft. The grey stones and old walls give a calm feeling. The bright flowers bring joy to the scene. The clothes of the people are full of colors too. Pink, green, yellow, and brown mixed together. This makes the picture look lively. The red scarf and boots add a bold touch. They catch the eye right away. The emotions in the scene feel happy and peaceful. The smiling faces show that everyone is enjoying the moment. The man kneeling looks serious but kind. The women standing and sitting seem relaxed. The little girl looks like she is exploring. Everyone is close together. This gives a sense of community. The placement of people and objects is interesting. The basket of flowers is the center point. It draws attention first. The man kneels in front of it, working with the flowers. The sitting woman is right above the basket. She looks like the main person in the group. The standing women are behind her like a backdrop. The bench with two women is off to the side. It balances the picture. The little girl stands alone in front. She adds a cute touch to the scene. The structures around them are simple but old. The stone wall has a rough texture. The window and door look like they belong to a village house. The wooden chair and bench are plain. They fit the rustic style. The paving stones underfoot are smooth and even. This makes the ground easy to walk on. The light in the image is soft. It seems like daytime, maybe morning or afternoon. The shadows are light, not dark. This makes the colors pop out more. The sky is not visible, but the light feels warm. It lights up the faces and flowers nicely. The bodily positions tell a story. The man kneeling shows he is helping or selling flowers. The sitting woman looks like she is choosing or buying. The standing women might be watching or chatting. The women on the bench sit still, maybe resting. The little girl stands and looks around. Each position adds to the busy yet calm feeling. Overall, the image feels like a snapshot of village life. The people are dressed in old-fashioned clothes. They gather around flowers, which might be for a market or celebration. The mix of colors and positions make it fun to look at. It's a simple scene, but it tells a warm story. The bright flowers and happy faces leave a good impression. That's the end of our practice. I urge you to keep describing your surroundings in simple English to become more fluent. Bye for now.